Hey, welcome back to lesson 10 in our mobile software repairing course. So in this lecture 10, we are going to talk about common mobile phone modes that you have to be familiar with. So in the first videos, I talked about phones that you can connect to the computer while holding volume buttons. And then in some phones, we said volume down buttons. And then some phones, we talked about test points, ISP. So in this video, we are going to talk about different modes that you can use to connect the mobile phone to the computer. These modes act as boot keys that lets the computer know that you want to perform a certain function or you want to connect to the internals of the mobile phone software. So let us look at these modes just in a while. Okay. So common modes mobile phones use to connect to the computers include: number one, we have fast boot mode. So in most devices with fast boot mode, you can use it to perform different functions. Again, if you don't know how to enter fast boot mode for a specific type of a phone, you can just do a Google search, just like we have been seeing in the previous videos. Just performing a Google search about that specific model, how to enter fast boot mode, Google will give you clear instructions of how to do it. The second one is recovery mode. And with recovery mode, it allows technicians to do factory reset. That is in case you've forgotten the password of the mobile device. Wipe cache partition, just in case maybe your phone is lagging or slow. So you can again use it to install updates, flash zip files, and repair most software problems. Okay. Then we have download mode, and download mode mostly in Samsung devices. Okay. So in Samsung phones, we use download mode basically to flash firmwares, perform factory reset, and do FRP bypass. Okay. Again, for example, when you are on a particular software, these modes will be listed there from which you can choose to connect your mobile phone. And I'm just going to show you just in a while. Okay. So other phone modes, we have EDL mode, especially in spread from mobile devices. And we have meta mode, similar to EDL mode, but meta mode in MediaTek devices. And again, you can use these modes to do factory reset and bypass FRPs and solving many other software problems. So ADB mode, again, you have ADB enabled in your settings and in about phone. So you can as well as again use it to bypass FRP, factory reset, and solve most software issues. Okay, brew mode. And what's brew mode? Just like we said in the past videos, brew mode, for example, this is the mobile phone. Brew mode use volume up button and volume down button, insert the USB, and once you do that, your phone is going to connect in brew mode. Okay, now you could use both volume buttons or else use volume down button depending on the chipset that you are working on. So we have preloader mode, especially in newer MediaTek devices, where you just insert a USB without pressing any button. Okay, so that will initiate preloader mode. Again, then we have test points, just like we demonstrated in the previous videos. Test points are there are some points on the motherboard that you can literally short and connect to the USB. So connecting these points on the motherboard, inserting USB will trigger the COM port on your computer and initiates the connection between your mobile device and your computer. Okay, so then we have ISP pinouts. ISP pinouts, just small wires connected to specific points on your motherboard and then inserted into hardware box that then connects to the software. So these are So if you followed me along, you probably could have seen me do ISP procedures. Okay, so as technicians, we use these modes basically to flash mobile phones firmware, analog phone in case of forgotten passwords, or remove FRP and recover dead devices. So this is it, guys. Let me see you in the next part of the video. Bye bye and take care.